Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Decentralized AI, Building Robust and Scalable Systems. Hey everyone! We've all heard about AI, the smart tech behind everything from Netflix recommendations to self-driving cars. But have you ever wondered how these powerful AIs are built and if there's a better, more robust way? Today, we're diving into decentralized AI. Think of it as taking the brainpower of AI and spreading it out, making it stronger, safer, and more scalable. If you're a developer or just curious about AI's next big leap, this is for you. Before we decentralize, let's understand the normal way. Imagine all the data for an AI model, pictures, text, numbers, being sent to one giant supercomputer, the central brain, to learn from. This is centralized AI. It's like having one massive library where every book in the world is stored. As a developer, this makes things simple at first. One place to manage everything. But what if that library burns down? Or gets too full? Or what if people don't want their private diary stored there? Centralized AI can face issues like a single point of failure, privacy concerns, and difficulties scaling up. Now, let's flip that idea. Decentralized AI is like having many smaller, independent brains working together, sharing insights but not necessarily all their raw data. Instead of one massive library, imagine many small, local libraries, each learning from its own books but occasionally sharing summaries or new ideas with others. As a developer, this means designing systems where parts of the AI live and learn on different computers, devices, or even different parts of the internet, making the whole system more resilient and private. Why bother with this new way? Decentralized AI brings some serious superpowers. 1. Robustness. Doesn't break easily. If one brain or device goes offline, the others keep working, like a healthy body with redundant organs. 2. Scalability. Grows easily. Need more power? Just add more brains or devices to the network. No need to upgrade one massive supercomputer. 3. Privacy. Keeps secrets safe. Your data often stays on your device. The AI learns from your patterns without actually seeing your private photos. This is a huge win for user trust. 4. Fairness. Democratizing AI. It's harder for one big company to control all the AI power, opening up opportunities for everyone. As a developer, how do you actually build this many-brain system? Here are some key tech concepts. Federated learning. Imagine your phone's keyboard learning your typing style. Instead of sending all your keystrokes to Google, your phone learns locally, then sends only a summary of that learning back to Google to improve the main model. Your data stays private. Blockchain and DLT. Distributed ledger technology. Think of a super secure, shared diary where everyone can see entries, but no one can secretly change past ones. We can use this to track who contributed what data or model improvements, ensuring trust and ownership in a decentralized AI network. Edge AI. This is about making AI run right on devices like your smartphone, a drone, or a smart doorbell, rather than sending everything to the cloud. It makes AI faster, more reliable, and better for privacy when immediate decisions are needed. It's not all rainbows and unicorns. Decentralized AI has its own challenges. Complexity. Coordinating many brains is harder than just one. As a developer, you'll deal with communication protocols, data synchronization, and ensuring consistent learning. *** communication overhead. Sending summaries or model updates across many devices can still be slow or resource intensive. *** ensuring quality. How do you know all the different brains are learning correctly and not introducing errors? But this is where you come in. Developers are crucial for designing smart algorithms, secure communication channels, and robust systems that overcome these hurdles, pushing the boundaries of what AI can do. Decentralized AI isn't just a fancy concept. It's shaping the future. From smarter healthcare with improved privacy, to more robust industrial automation, and even new ways to earn from contributing your data or computing power. As a developer, understanding decentralized AI opens up vast opportunities. You'll be building the next generation of intelligent systems that are more ethical, resilient, and truly owned by their users. It's an exciting time to jump in and start learning. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.